Here at H&D Air Conditioning, we are a family-run business committed to providing an excellent service with quality products. Are you looking to get the temperature of your home or office just right? Trust H&D Air Conditioning to help you choose the right heating system or air conditioning unit for you. Take a look at our extensive range of home air conditioning, heating systems and refrigeration services, or call us and our friendly team will be happy to discuss our services with you. Our dedicated team are experienced in providing energy-efficient air conditioning, refrigeration and climate control services for commercial and residential purposes across West Sussex. We're proud that clients from across the region constantly return to H&D Air Conditioning for our friendly service and unparalleled excellence. From maintenance to installation to bespoke designs, we strive to provide you with a quick and reliable service. So if you're looking for a company who can provide system design, ventilation, installations, maintenance or annual servicing, call H&D Air Conditioning today.